Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam 2025 March 21st Friday. Krodhinama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Shishirardo Painguni Masam, that is Meena Masam, Krishna Paksham Thidi up to night 1 a.m. Saptami, then Ashtami. Bhrigu Vasaram Nakshatram up to 10:41 Ketai, then Moolam Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Mesharashi